Hello, hello, everybody. I hope you guys are having a great Monday. Boy, it has been so beautiful here in the Carolinas. And then today we got a cold front in. So it's been a little bit chilly. I've got my sweater on today. Anyways, let's dive in. Welcome back to our Monday Soulful Abundance business trainings. I'm super, super glad to be back here with you guys every single Monday where I share with you some tips, some strategies, some ninja tips, pull back the curtain behind the scenes on what I'm doing, what I'm teaching my clients to do to build and grow six-figure business based on heart-centered values. So let's dive in. One of the things that can kind of take us out of the game of building a business is procrastination. Am I right? We are like, oh, I know I need to do the thing, and yet we don't ever do the thing. So here is what I want to share with you today. I'm going to give you the tips that I teach inside of Activate Abundance Academy, inside of Holistic Business Foundations. This is something that you're going to definitely want to grab a pen and a pencil for, because I'm going to share 4 simple steps with you. Okay. So these 4 steps are going to help you get yourself going, get out of the overthinking, get out of the overwhelm, get out of the procrasti-planning, get out of the getting ready to get ready, right? Can I get an amen here? How many of you, if you feel like you've been procrastinating on doing something that you know that you need to do, and yet you don't ever actually follow through with it, right? If that's you, just comment yes in the chat. We've all been there, right? I know I've been there too. So I'm going to give you 4 simple steps that you can do. I want you to write these down. And this is something that I come back to actually every single day. I do this every single day, but we start off our week inside of Activate Abundance Academy with this inside of our Voxer group. And I want to share it with you because I think it's going to be super, super powerful for you. So here we go. Step 1. Step 1, when we know that we are procrastinating on something, or if we're spinning, or we're in overwhelm, or even if we're telling ourselves, I don't know what to do. Step 1 is to get clear on what is the energy that you want to be in, right? So what do you want to feel? Do you want to feel calm? Do you want to feel relaxed? Do you want to feel confident? Do you want to feel self-assured? Do you want to feel excited? Do you want to feel inspired? Whatever the feeling is that you want to feel, not the one that you're feeling right now, because the feeling that you've got going on right now is having you procrastinate. It's having you spin. You are already in the feeling of overwhelm or self-judgment or shame or guilt or whatever it is, right? So step 1 is, what energy do you want to be in? What energy do you want to be in? Okay. So choose that. I want to be confident. I want to feel self-assured. My favorite energy to be in is either in the energy of generosity or in the energy of relaxed confidence. I want to feel relaxed, want to feel confident, right? So that energy for me feels really, really good. So you choose that. Write that down. Type it in the chat here for me. What energy do you want to be in? What energy do you want to be in? Okay, that's step 1. Step 2, not 1, but 2, is, what are 3 to 5 beliefs that you can think and say to yourself? And actually, I want you to write them down, because when we write them down, we get them out of our head and we get them on paper, we can see them. What are 3 beliefs or thoughts that you can think that is going to allow you to have this sense of relaxed confidence, or generosity, or clarity, or peace, or calm, or whatever it is for you? Okay, 3 to 5 beliefs. And here's why we have to start here. The answer to procrastinating is never about action. The answer to procrastinating, overwhelm, and spinning is about the thoughts that we have, which is also give us the feelings, right? So if we go back to the thought model of, our thoughts create a feeling, our feelings then create actions, inactions, or reactions, which then will lead to results, right? So if we take these first 2 steps, what we're doing is we're getting out of the overthinking, we're getting out of the spinning, and we're getting into an energy of alignment that feels really good. We're getting out of scarcity into abundance, out of overwhelm and into action. And the way that we do that first has to come from our thoughts. Has to come from our thoughts. Because if we're not thinking thoughts that allow us to have the feeling that we want to have, which is then going to allow us to take action, then no amount of strategy, no amount of to-do lists, no amount of action guides is going to work, because you are still using the same thoughts that are giving you the feeling of overwhelm, right? So always start here. This is the inner game, right? This is the mindset component. And for those of you that have been with me for a while, you may know that my formula that I have actually reverse engineered to teach inside of Activate Abundance Academy is that our mindset, our thoughts, and our feelings, which is our mindset, is our inner game. That plus the outer game, which is our actions and our strategy, equals an abundant and a successful business. So we need to have both. But notice what comes first. It's not strategy first. Strategy is important. Action is important. We need you to take action to get out of this procrasti-planning and this overwhelm and the spinning that is keeping you from creating the results that you want in your business. But the way to do it is actually not just throw more action at it and power through. The way to do it is to first start with step one, what is the energy you want to be in? Step two, what are the thoughts and beliefs, 3 to 5, that you can think that is going to allow you to feel amazing, right? Now, step three, what is it that you are calling in? What is it that you want? Is it that you want to take action on creating a post? Is it that you want to bring on one new client into your ecosystem? Is it that you want to work on a freebie? Is it that you want to start a Facebook group? Like whatever it is that you want, write that down. That's step three. What is it that you want? What are you declaring that you would like to receive? Okay. And then step four, and this is the last, now action comes in. Now action comes in. What are 1 to 3 steps that you can take, 1 to 3 small actions that you can take within the next 24 hours that are going to allow you to create momentum towards having what it is that you want? Okay, so for example, if you want to create a new freebie or if you want to create a new lead magnet, great. Maybe step one of those is I'm going to write down all of the different ideas that I have around the lead magnet. Maybe number two is I'm actually going to interview some of my clients, or I'm going to do a poll to find out what it is that my ideal clients are asking for. And then step three would be taking those ideas and actually creating them inside of Canva or some sort of place that you decide that you want to create those materials for, okay? So these 4 steps on repeat is what is going to allow you to move out of the spinning, out of the confusion, out of the overwhelm, and into taking action from an aligned, energetic place, right? Remember, we cannot hustle our way to success. This isn't about just throwing more strategy at it. This is about getting clear about what energy, what is it that we actually want to feel? What energy do we want to be in? What thoughts and beliefs can we think to support that energy, right? Clients are everywhere. I know exactly what it is that my ideal client wants. I just have to ask them. It's so easy. I've got things everywhere that I know that people can tell me exactly what it is that they're looking for. Clients are all around me. People want exactly what it is that I have, right? These are thoughts that are going to give you a feeling of abundance, of joy, of calm, of confidence, or what have you, right? And then the actions, okay? All right, my friends. I hope this is helpful for you. If you want the handout that goes with this so that you can actually print it out and refer to it on a daily basis, let me know, and I'm happy to share it with you. So just comment alignment in the chat below, and I will make sure to pop that your way. Okay, last thing, we're going to dive even more deep into this alignment piece inside of Six Figure Secrets Simplified. That's coming up on March 25th through the 29th. It's totally free. There's no cost. Come, consume the information, participate in the information, get some amazing tips, learn my 6-step system for creating consistent clients in your business in a very simple, heart-centered, aligned way. I would love to have you be my guest. I'm going to pop the comment in the chat here inside of Facebook. For those of you that are watching on YouTube, you can check the description. I will make sure that I have that for you there. And I can't wait to see you. Please come. We're going to be giving you a free 6-figure playbook that you can actually follow along as your guide. And one lucky winner is actually going to win a VIP day with me, where you have my heart, my brain, my eyes on your business with you for a full half day so that we can get you going, get you fast tracked into uncovering whatever it is that's keeping you from creating this amazing business and serving these people that are looking for you. We're going to get you going fast. All right, my friends, chat soon. Have a great Monday.